Hello, hello. So I just kind of wanted to show you this really fast. It is Shooter Lube. They are located in West Jordan in Utah. So it is local company and they are amazing. So I did go to the shooting range twice, okay, and I haven't cleaned my weapon ever since that, but I don't feel like I need to because I feel like this Shooter Lube is that amazing that I don't necessarily have to clean my weapon every single week like I used to. But it is your responsibility to make sure that your weapon is clean, especially if you conceal carry every single day. So this video is all about just basic disassembly of a Glock 43. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and make sure that that magazine is completely out. So you're just gonna drop that magazine. Now the magazine release is going to be on the left side of your weapon. It's just gonna be this button right here. All you're gonna do is press it and the magazine should release out. Now, what you're gonna do is put that magazine aside. Now you're gonna just triple check to make sure that there's no ammunition sitting in that chamber. So there we go, there's nothing sitting in that chamber. Now I am ready to disassemble it. What I do, this is how I take it down. It's your personal preference, but this is how I do it. I'm gonna go ahead and take my right hand and I'm going to push my right thumb underneath my beaver tail. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push the slide and the frame kind of opposites of each other, just like this, okay? That's all I do is I just push my thumb into my frame, which makes the slide go back. Now, from here, I'm gonna take these little levers and I'm gonna push them down. These are on both sides of your weapon. So what you're gonna do is just push these takedown levers, let your slide go. While holding your takedown levers, I want you to pull that trigger. Did you see that slide come out? So that's basically how to take down that Glock 43, okay? Now, honestly with all Glocks, but this is the Glock 43. So now you're just gonna go ahead and lift up off that frame or off that slide. Now we have three components sitting in here. You're gonna have your recoil spring, you're going to have your barrel, and then your slide. That is basically how you take down that Glock 43. Now, it's as simple as disassembling it, putting it back together, okay? Assembling your weapon, putting it back together, right? So what you're gonna do is you're going to take your barrel and your slide. You're gonna just put your barrel right in there. Now, notice how it kind of came out. All you have to do is just make sure it's in that locked position. That's all. Now you're gonna take your recoil spring, then you're gonna just push this. I'll kind of get over here a little bit so you can see it, and then you're gonna push in a little bit. That was kind of difficult because I was kind of pushed forward, but anyways, there's that for you. Okay, see how there's no gap right here? This is the appropriate sitting position with that recoil. Now from there, you're gonna make sure that your recoil spring in that barrel, just point it down this way. Now you're gonna go ahead and grab your slide, finger off that trigger. Okay, just kind of muscle memory. Now from here, it's on, but I'm just gonna push it in. Just like that, I'm gonna pull that trigger just to make sure that it's working correctly. Now, that is the way to disassemble and assemble your Glock 43. So I just want you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button for me so you can keep up to date with the videos that I post, and I promise, I will be more consistent with my YouTube channel. So thank you very much for subscribing, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.